Cosmo inserting plug. The two new systems help achieve the drastic downsizing of tools and high portability compared with the conventional insertion work. Also, the installation is simplified because of the entirely new system. We will introduce the features. Feature 1. Post-in shutter system. The inserting plug adopts the entirely new system design. The process valve is inserted into the opening, which is located on the nearest location from the main pipe. Thanks to this post-in shutter system, the downsizing of the process valve and the boring machine is achieved. Comparing the condition of the boring with the conventional one, it is drastically downsized and weight saved. Feature 2. Double rubber packing bonnet system. The inserting plug double rubber packings assembled in the valve bonnet enables to insert the valve bonnet only using the hydraulic jacks, making the usage of the pressure vessel unnecessary. Therefore, the condition at the plug inserting is drastically downsized and weight saved compared with the conventional one. Now, we will introduce the installation procedure for the system using the inserting plug. First, assemble the case and the cover. Next, set up the process valve clamp and the process valve body. Then, after mounting the boring tool on the case, open the process valve fully and bore the existing pipe at the designated stroke. After boring, retract the coupon and close the process valve. After setting up the sweeper tool on the case, open the process valve fully and flush out the residual chips in the pipe using the sweeper rod. After using the sweeper, close the process valve and remove the sweeper tool. Then, after assembling the hydraulic jacks on the process valve, attach the thrust plate assembled with the plug body on the hydraulic jacks. Using the jacks, inset the plug body up to the designated stroke. Check if the main pipe packing is inserted into the case and open the process valve fully. Then, inset the plug body at the designated stroke. Clamp the plug body on the case with the sprit fix ring. Finally, remove the inserting tool and the process valve and attach the opening cover. Now, the work is completed. When the pipe is shut, the plug is inserted into the pipe and the plug rubber expands to fit the pipe shape. Thanks to it, it is possible to shut the water flow. The applicable size is from 80 to 600 millimeters. It is available for a wide range of pipes such as the ductile iron, the steel, the PVC, and the HDPE pipes. It passed the opening and shutting test 500 times. The working pressure is 1.0 megapascals. These two new systems will surely be of your benefit. The inserting plug of Cosmo is user-friendly and makes drastic downsizing possible. Cosmo.